the stream be starting.
What is going on, guys? Welcome to the live stream. Appreciate everyone on here. How are you guys doing tonight? Thank you guys for coming to the live stream. Great to have you guys. What's up, Doctor and Lawyer Silvio? Just started the live. Let me go live here on IG and TikTok as well. So appreciate everyone on here. Let's go right there. Now just on TikTok. Hey Lewis, how's it going out there, brother? Doing pretty good. How about you, man? What's up, Silvio? How you guys been? What you guys been up to? You guys been buying anything, selling anything? But I hope you guys are having had a wonderful day today. Let me see here. How do I want to click this? All right, that should be good. All right, let's go. Time to go on TikTok. There we go. Now we are live everywhere officially. Let's go, guys. Let's go. We are live. You don't sound too good. Yeah, I do have a cold. I've been having a cold for the last 2 days, so my voice might sound a little different. That's why I'm having some tea right now. But yeah, that's probably it. It's because I had a cold the last 2 days. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Wow, 10 people already on the Instagram. You guys are killing it. What's up? What do you think about Phantom? We'll take a look at Phantom. I do like Phantom. VJ, Turbo, XCN. Yes, guys, we're going to check out all your favorite coins. XCN has been killing it. XCN, man, I think it's like an 8x since I posted in the Telegram and in the Instagram channel. What's your thoughts on Doge now? Is it going to be? Yes, my thoughts are the same for Dogecoin. It's going to blow up. It will blow up, I'm telling you. Very bullish on Dogecoin. But man, shout out to you guys on Instagram. We got 10 people already on Instagram. YouTube, we already got 20 people on YouTube. Appreciate everyone on here. Shout out to you guys on TikTok too. Don't forget to like, guys. That's all I ask for. Do you need me in TikTok? I like YouTube graphics better. No, you can be on here, man. You can be on here. You can stay on YouTube if you like the graphics better. Prem, what's up, Prem? Thank you, bro. I heard Michael Saylor might announce a major investment in Kaspa, and Binance has been hinting listing. Really? Those are some rumors you heard? That would be very good for Kaspa, right? Because I mean, Michael Saylor is known to be a Bitcoin maxi. Diamond, what's up, Diamond? How you doing, bro?
Subscriber.
What's up, bro? Oh well, Jay Pizzle, what's up, guys? Thank you guys for coming to the live. But yeah, that'll be like, I'm still holding my Kaspa. I've been accumulating. I'm super bullish on Kaspa, so I have high hopes for Kaspa. Sir, do you think Arrow will go up again or keep falling? Yeah, we'll take a look at Arrow for you. And guys, don't worry, we'll check out all your favorite coins tonight. Man, Arrow is falling, right? But I do believe Arrow will eventually go up. Right, like I said, I said this when it was actually right here, right? It was like a cup and handle, but it's just going down lower, right? We'll have something like that. So I believe Arrow, I mean, Arrow, what it's doing is it's creating a higher low at some point. Most likely here, it's going to put in a higher low to potentially go up like that. So I'm bullish on Arrow. I think it's a great buying opportunity. I mean, you also got to buy, I mean, look at this. You want to buy when it's oversold and there's the most fear, right? Right there. So we are very oversold on the weekly. Silvio, thank you, bro. Thank you for becoming a Sir Junior. Wow. Thank you, bro. Thanks for being a channel member. Appreciate it. Thank you. I think you're my second channel member on my channel. So thank you so much, Silvio. Shout out to Silvio on YouTube. Can anyone send me any amount of Solana? No. No one's gonna send you any Solana. These guys are hilarious. You think it's wise to buy some official Trump coin? Look, I'll be honest. Nate just asked here on Instagram. I bought some Trump coin the last 2 days. I did buy some Trump coin under 40 bucks, right? So 35, 30, even today it went to like 27. I did buy some Trump coin, right? Again, do your own research, not financial advice. This coin, we don't know what's going to happen with this coin, but you know, I did buy some. I added some to my portfolio. I will be with you in this bull run wealth transfer, Lewis, and I hope you share your exit strategies with us so I can exit with you. Don't worry, man. I'm definitely gonna be sharing it. If you want to be like closer with my like alerts and stuff, because obviously I can't go live every day, or I can't make a video, you know, in terms of being on the spot and everything. Join the Telegram and join the alerts channel and everything like that, because that's where I'll probably share it first, and then the video is like a little delayed. But I also want you guys to understand that regardless of what I do, please don't do the same because it's me, right? Please do your research too. If I exit on a certain price, please do your research, right? Because it might go higher, or you know what I mean? So please do your research. I will be sharing when I exit, or when I sell most of my my crypto, and it's all, you know, gonna be based on certain signals and confluence. Can you take a look at Algorand? Sure, we'll take a look at Algorand. I hear you. I might buy some official Trump and just put a little bit down every now and then. Yeah. I mean, look, I believe Trump coin can go to $100, to be honest. Right? I've been looking at it, but I believe Trump coin can at some point go to $100. We'll see. Right? I mean, the chart obviously, there's a big dump here. I mean, how much is it even down? I can't even do it here because on Dex Tools, it doesn't save. It's not like the same on TradingView. I gotta like save it, but it's down a lot, right? From 75 bucks. So we'll see. I honestly, I don't think the president's gonna rug us, right? I mean, we live in a crazy world, so. So Algorand, right? You wanted me to check out Algo. I'll do like Algo. Algo's a US based crypto, so that's a plus. We just saw Trump. We just saw Trump signing the most bullish, well, the first ever crypto executive in the history, right? And to make America the capital. I mean, to me, that was so bullish. The way that he's like, to make America the crypto capital of the world, that was more bullish than expected. And I know the markets is not showing it right now, but that is very bullish. That, you know, this executive order is even more bullish. And the Bitcoin maxis are fuming right now because they were expecting a Bitcoin reserve, but this one, you know, it's the stockpile, you know, not just Bitcoin, but crypto in general. So that's why you see all the Bitcoin maxis angry right now. If I drop 2K on Doge today, is that a 1 million bucks when it blows up this cycle? Probably not. 2K on Doge today. I mean, 2K, you know, the highest I see Dogecoin going is 230 or 220. How much would that be? Right? I mean, that would definitely not be a million. So, yeah, Algorand looks pretty good. It kind of looks exactly like Cardano. We'll check out Cardano in a sec here, but it kind of looks very similar to Cardano. This type of recovery. Honestly, it looks exactly the same. It looks exactly the same as Cardano. I'll switch over to Cardano in a few, but let me just save it here so it's set. Let's see here. Okay, I'll just put it. So yeah, Algorand looks very bullish. We can see that we got rejected at 0.5, but we are probably gonna maintain this level and flip this resistance where we got hit hard. Flip it as support, right? So you might see Algorand 74 cents very soon. Its all-time high was 269. So, you know, and where it can top out, we can see right here some of the targets: 7.27, $11. So I'm very bullish on Algorand. At some point during the bear market, it wasn't looking good, but this is how crypto works, right? Crypto can change in 1 month, and from, you know, 1 month, Algorand did a complete 180 here and went all the way up here, creating a higher low. So, and it's maintaining well. It's not like it pumped and dumped all the way back down. So Algorand is looking good. Now let me show you how close this looks to Cardano, right? So this is Algorand. Now this is Cardano. ADA right here. Look at that. Look at that. It looks identical, right? It looks very similar. I would say Cardano looks a little bit more bullish, but you can see right here, right, close, higher low, and then we have a night and day, and now we're just maintaining. It looks exactly the same as Algorand, so very good to see. And we can see Cardano maintaining these levels. Its all-time high was similar to Algorand too, around $3 around there, so not bad. Maybe 200k. What do you mean for Bitcoin? Yeah, probably maybe around 200k. Yeah. Will Doge reach 26 cents, 30 cents again? What do you think? Yeah, we'll take a look here at Dogecoin. Crow. Which indicator? This is a Fibonacci that I'm using. That was Fibonacci. Dawson, what are you talking about? 7k will work with what? Well, this is Fibonacci. It's not really an indicator. It's like a tool, and I have my settings set for it. So we'll take a look here at Dogecoin. I'll do Crow. Don't worry. I'll do Crow. Yeah, I mean, look. We saw that Crow, you know, we wicked down here to 26 cents, so we did touch it. Right, we did touch that. But man, I mean, the monthly is on the upside. Yeah, I mean, look, I would just say this: we're getting really close to bottom. Honestly, I think this probably will be the bottom, right there. So I don't see us going back to 26 cents unless Bitcoin dumps back into the 90s, because we can see right here that we are already close to oversold. So we might have some space here for Dogecoin to drop a little bit more, but once we get down here like this, it's gonna be up only, right? We're gonna start to pivot, and if Dogecoin is still up here, it's gonna start to move. If we get down here in stochastic in Dogecoin, it can come down lower with it, like it's been. Right, the stochastic had to reset here on the. This is why I'm so bullish on Dogecoin. For you guys on Dogecoin, this is why I'm so bullish, right? Because we were overbought right here, and you can see it right here on the stochastic, and then now we dropped to 26 cents, resetting that stochastic on the weekly. We're back to oversold on the stochastic. But what's bullish is that Dogecoin is not at these low prices. Okay, it's at 35 cents. Because look at this. Last time it was oversold on the weekly, what was the price of Dogecoin? Want to know? 10 cents. That's how bullish I am. Look at that. Last time we were oversold right here. You see that? On the weekly, which we are getting into right now. How much was Dogecoin? Right here. 10 cents, 11. So this is a very bullish signal right here, telling you that Dogecoin is holding this like a beast. It just resetted that weekly. So next time we pivot, Dogecoin is going to make some big legs up here. You see what I'm saying? It's going to make another leg up here to a new region. So just sharing that with you guys. Thank you guys for stopping by YouTube. Don't forget to like. For you guys on YouTube, we got 41 people. You guys been killing it. You know why altcoins are dumping? I want to say they're dumping, right? I just say that it's just Bitcoin dominance, right? We can look here at Bitcoin dominance. We haven't looked at it yet. But I've been telling you guys, Bitcoin dominance. Look at that, right? Everyone was calling it altcoin season, but we're still green on Bitcoin dominance. We're still in this uptrend. We can still have a big pump up here over 60%. You see that? So Bitcoin dominance is still trending up. And everyone doesn't understand that. So once Bitcoin dominance confirms a downtrend like it did right here, right, then we're not going to have this crazy altcoin season. We're still in this nice uptrend. And I believe we will, right? I mean, just think about what will happen if Bitcoin suddenly went to 110, 110K, 120K, 150K. What do you think is going to happen to this chart? It's going to, right, do something like that. And then possibly top out. And then, you know, altcoins are going to start going boom, boom, right? So that's just showing you here some possibilities. Please talk about Doge, Elon, Mars. Yeah, I got you. Before I talk about Doge, Elon, Mars, let's talk about Crow. He's been asking for Crow, so we'll take a look at it. Oh man, your analytics are great on Shiba. Mango, thank you, man. I'll take a look at Shiba, but thank you, bro. Appreciate it. Yeah, so this is Crow. I did buy some more Crow today, actually. So shout out to, who was it? CST. Shout out to you. I did buy some more Crow on crypto.com. I'm just like, think about it. If America is going to be the crypto capital of the world, well, the exchanges are going to benefit very well, like crypto.com. So very, very bullish on crypto.com. And we can see right here, this is a nice long-term uptrend. We are coming down to a big resistance point to retest it. Right, you can see right here, this is a big resistant point here back in April. We got hit. We probably fell over 50, 60, 70%. We broke right through it. Every time this happens, we always come back for a retest. And that's the thing. People don't think we'll come back from a retest because people are euphoric. But you can just see here a perfect example of us coming back for a retest. And most likely we will hold this level. Maybe have like a fear wick. But hold this. And what's amazing too is that this is the 618. This is exact point of support right here. Point of control is the 618 golden pocket. So this is very bullish if Crow puts in this higher low right there. So yeah, I've been buying Crow. Crow's one of the coins that I've been buying. And I think it's still at great prices here, under 14 cents. Honestly, under 20 cents, I think Crow is a great deal. We could see right here. Right, you want to buy coins that are progressively in this nice uptrend. Even if it's a slower uptrend like Crow is, it's still, you know, in recovery, continuing up, putting higher highs, retesting major supports. So I do like Crow. Indicator I'm using. Are you talking about the one down here? Yeah, so this indicator is the scalper. I made it myself, so you probably won't find it. My indicators, I sell them. They're private indicators that I sell. But if you want to check them out, it's on my link tree and my Patreon. But it's called, I named it the Scalper OS. It basically has stochastic, money flow in green, regular RSI, traditional RSI in yellow. And I modified it too a little bit, so it's different. But yeah, Crow is alpha. Trump is only interested in America-related crypto. Yeah, and that's what I'm saying, right? Trump signing that executive order is so bullish for crypto, and Bitcoin maxis are fuming because they really just wanted a Bitcoin reserve, right? A Bitcoin is only for Bitcoin, but no, it's to stockpile cryptos. And Trump being very pro-US, that's going to be good for the US-based cryptos like XRP, Crow, Cardano, and there's a lot of US-based cryptos. Like what's a non-US based crypto in the top 10? I'm trying to, let me see, what's a non-US based crypto that's in the top 10 right now? Curious on that. Because I know the majority of them are US based. Solana's US based. Binance, yeah, there you go. Thank you, Alan. Yeah, Binance isn't US based. So I'll say that's one of them. Right, Bitcoin is like we don't know where Bitcoin's from. Decentralized. That's how you know a coin is legit decentralized. You don't know where it's from. You don't know where it was created. You don't know where it's from. Trump dropping fast. Trump is dropping? How much is Trump? I mean, it's not dropping. It was... Last time I checked, it was 27. It's still at 28, so it's not dropping that hard. But yeah, let's check out here the US-based cryptos. But yeah, I know Binance for sure. Tether. So yeah, Binance, Tether. USDC is US-based. Tron. I think Tron is not US-based. But... Or is it US-based? Is it? I think it is. Right? And Chainlink is US-based. How about AVAX? Is it AVAX US-based? Stellar, HBAR is US. So Isui, there's a lot of US-based coins. And man, this is gonna be great for the crypto industry. Oh, it's not? Okay. I should have bought sooner, but when is the next point of entry for Onyx? Thank you, Lewis. Yeah, let's check out XCN, guys. A lot of you guys are asking for XCN. This coin has been on fire the last couple of days. I made a ton with this coin, and I haven't sold yet. And I'm happy I didn't sell because this coin's been holding like a beast. I mean, last time I was on stream, it was like literally right here. I remember, and I was saying, well, this coin is holding up like a beast. Right, I don't think it's gonna dump down, and boom, another leg up here. And guess where it's slowing down? Exactly here near my fib level. We might come down a little bit more, kind of settle down here before boom, right? So Onyx, this coin it's making a great recovery here. It's all-time high here back in 22 during the bear market too, right? 20 cents. So what's insane is that it's at 2 cents right now. It's at 2 cents. So I mean, this is crazy. And for you guys just new joining, I shared this in my Telegram when it was literally right here. I have the dates and everything. It's on my Telegram, on my alerts broadcast channel, which is all free, by the way. I shared it when it was like, when was it, like here, right? Yeah, like right here. So I didn't catch it here, but I at least shared in the group right there before I did like a 8x. So can you look at Jasmy? Yeah, sure, we'll take a look at Jasmy. You think Trump is gonna go to 20? I'll take a look at Trump too. But yeah, Onyx is looking really good. I'm not gonna tell you for you to FOMO into right now, you know, into a huge green candles like this. It could come back here to 2 cents, right? A penny and a half. So I'll be patient on it, but long term, I mean, this coin can do it. I mean, it can go back to all-time highs for sure, based on this healthy recovery, right? I mean, so yeah, Trump coin, can it come down to 20? Let's see here. Can Trump come down to 20 cents? I mean, honestly, I would say lowest it can come down to is like 25, 23. I'll say it's a big deal. It will take a lot for it to come down to 20. But 25, right? 25, 24, around there. Sure, it can hit that. We can wick down there for Trump coin. And you guys been killing it. We got 157, 141 people on YouTube. Don't forget to like, guys. All I ask is for a like and for you guys to join the free Telegram. But you guys been killing it. Shout out to you guys on YouTube too. You think Crow will hit? Yeah, I think Crow will hit over $2. Thank you. Bull run 2025. What month roughly you think it will end time and exit? Honestly, I don't know. If we do have some big moves this spring, I'm taking big profits. If not, I'm willing to hold it out into the fall in Q4. Right, that's my plan. Because I mean, let's compare the previous bull markets, right? So 2017, this one right here, where we had the blow off top. This one right here, this was when this was Trump's first presidency, right? So Trump came in here in 2017, right there, and we're looking very similar, right? Because we were going up here. Bitcoin was going up into Trump's presidency. Then he won. January was actually a bearish month. It was like an in-between month. So technically, we are having a more bullish month here, a more bullish January than Trump's first presidency in 2017. February was bullish. Bitcoin went from 965 to 1,000 and something. March was kind of like a bear trap, and then April bullish. May God candle, right? June bullish. I mean, this was so bullish. We were bullish throughout the whole summer, right? August bullish. September was a huge bear trap. November bullish. And then we topped out in December right there, right? December we topped out. January, that's when we came down. That's when we started to come down. But you can see right there, that was Trump's first presidency, and it was a blow off top. And yeah, and then later on it recovered. We recovered in 2019 a little bit. Then we had the Black Swan, and then we recovered in 2021 after Trump came out of office. So could we do something similar? Could we do something similar this time? Could we have a blow off top? Universal Blessings says, people say take profits by month, May, and go away. You follow that? Yeah. So, you know, sell in May and go away. You don't want to take it too literal. You don't want to, oh, let me just wait till May and sell. The way it means to me is, if you make big profits in February, March, April, or even May, then take those profits. That's what it means to me, right? So if you make big profits this spring, you definitely want to take if you make big gains this spring, you definitely want to take profits, right? Because we can definitely have a pullback. So like if we follow this bull market, right, we pumped up all the way till the spring, and then we pulled back into the summer, recovered into Q4 of 2021, topping out in November, and then coming down to the bear market. So these are two scenarios that can play out. And we might have a third scenario that we've never seen before. We might have a super cycle going into 2026. Right? So there's a lot of things that can happen, especially now with our country aiming to be the crypto capital of the world. Aiming to, and this is the thing too, guys, right? I believe if Trump signed that executive order to be the crypto capital of the world, it just makes logical sense to me that there are going to be good things happening. There's going to be good laws coming into place for crypto, such as no taxes. I mean, it's logical to me for him to cut the capital gains tax for crypto if he wants America to be the crypto capital of the world. I mean, you look at all these pro crypto countries like Dubai, Portugal, even PR that has good taxes for, basically no taxes for crypto and stuff. You know what I mean? So, in El Salvador now. So, if you look at them, well, they're all pro tax friendly, right? They basically have no taxes on crypto. So I would expect Trump to do something like that. Maybe he might start small and have it only for Bitcoin at first, or for US based cryptos like Cardano, HBAR, right? We saw that rumor of Eric Trump where he's talking about HBAR, Cardano, and XRP not having taxes. So we'll see. But I mean, expect good things to happen. It's time to be optimistic for crypto finally in this country. And I'm super excited. I think it's going to be a euphoric bull market. XCN, what's XCN? Turbo, goodbye right now. Yeah, I think Turbo's a good buy. It did come down a bit, so let's check it out right here. It did come down a lot, so I'll definitely say it's a good buy. Yeah, Turbo, it did come down a lot, and honestly, I'd say it's a good buy. I did buy some more Turbo, so you can see right here. We were actually right here. We were holding this level, but then we lost it right here, and that's fine, right? Turbo at least holding this level right here, to me, coming down to, it's not a big deal, right? It only becomes a big deal when Turbo closes below this level. If you come all the way back down here and we close and we were just doing something like that. But Turbo coming down here, you want to buy the fear, you want to buy the lows. We are an oversold level, and we can come down as low as right here and still be bullish, creating a higher low long term. Okay, I mean, ever since Turbo was launched, it's just been in this beautiful uptrend. So don't get feared with Turbo coming down and dumping like this, right? It's, in my opinion, it's a very bullish meme coin. You can see, you got to look out, and this is why I'm bullish, right? We were very overbought, and we just resetted that stochastic right there to oversold. So we are oversold on Turbo. We are at big lows right here. So these are signals to buy, not financial advice, of course. Anytime, VJ. Can you check Rune? Okay, we'll check out Rune. Some of you guys are asking me for Rune on IG and also on TikTok, so we'll check out Rune. I know Rune is a big coin, has great utility. It is dumping, so you see Rune is dumping. Honestly, I'm gonna pick up some Rune, to be honest. Coming down at good prices here. I'm liking what Rune is doing here. Right, it is dumpy. That's the thing, right? When you have these dumps, it kind of scares you, but you want to buy you want to buy the fear, if you're of course bullish on the coin fundamentally, right? Like I am with Rune. But we can see right here we were overbought here on the monthly, and now we are oversold on the monthly. You don't see this for a lot of coins at the moment, but for Rune, we are oversold on the monthly. And on the weekly, we are oversold on the weekly as well. So we're very oversold for both. And honestly, you know, Rune, it did lose the 618 level right there. But here's the thing, right? It's still the month, so we might have a wick back up here. So don't think, we have how much days? We still have a couple days till the month is done. We might wick back up here and close here. If you see that, Rune is super bullish, right? If you see Rune come back, wick back down here and close right here around 258, very bullish sign. It's probably going to start a pivot. If not, we might continue to come down here a little bit more to around $2, $1.90, and then put in that higher low. Do something like that. You see? But I'm liking Rune long term. I like what Rune is doing. It did the first thing, which is good, which is recover. Right, it recovered with the market going up, and now it's coming down for a big retest to put in a higher low to go up. So bullish on Rune. Definitely check it out. I'm definitely, I don't have any Rune, but now after looking at that chart, I might pick up some more at these lows. Hi Summer, thanks for joining the live stream. Please look at Jasmy. Yeah, let's take a look at Jasmy. For sure, man. I caught more. Never lost a Turbo trade. Awesome. Yeah, Turbo was the first ever AI made meme coin. And it was made with, what was it, like 69 bucks this guy made Turbo with on ChatGPT. It was insane. Rune, so it's R-U-N-E, Rune. Am I able to type it here? There you go. Yeah, before you buy Rune, I would research Rune. It's basically, it has a great utility. It lets you basically trade native Bitcoin, native coins instead of wrapped Bitcoin. That is a pretty big deal. So that's why I like Rune. You know, coins that have big utility like that, they go a long way in the future. Thanks for Rune, bro. Anytime, anytime. So Jasmy, let's take a look at Jasmy. We can see right here, there's a lot of resistance here at that 0.5, right? And that 0.38, see how we wicked all the way up there? Got rejected. Now we're closing under that 0.5 and coming down. So yeah, we might have some more room here for Jasmy to come down, potentially this level, right? So if you see Jasmy at these levels right here at 0.22, 0.02, I think it's a great deal. I mean, even right now, for where Jasmy can go, is a good deal, under 3 cents. But it can definitely come down here more to around 2 cents, to 0.22, based on this, right? And also based on stochastic still coming down. You see right here, stochastic, we were overbought. But we're still coming down here. We're not oversold totally yet. We still got some room to come down here to be oversold. So that's why I'm saying we might have some space here to come down for Jasmy. But either way, I would expect it to put in a higher low and then do something like that. So I still am bullish on Jasmy. And I think these are great buying opportunities. Good evening, Lewis. Can you look at AI 16Z? Yeah, I got you, bro. Can you do Shiba again? Yeah, I'll do Shiba. I'll do Shiba. So what is it? AI 16. Okay, so this coin. Did this coin launch in November? What AI crypto coins do you think is a good buy for potential high return on? Man, hold up. Let me do this coin first. So yeah, this coin, 80 cents, right? We went up here to 260. So a big drop, but I mean, it's holding up this level here from the past. So that's not bad. You know, I would expect here for us to have a nice rounding out. So you see how we had a, you know, a drop there, right? This is usually a common pattern. It's like an Adam and Eve pattern, kind of. So I'd expect us to have a nice rounding out here. Potentially bullish. And we're in oversold territory too. So, you know, I would wait. Yeah, I mean, I would wait a couple days for it to confirm it here on the daily, right? Wait a couple days. See if we start to kind of flatten out a bit. And start to rounding out, right? You don't want to buy the falling knife. You want to buy when it's starting to flatten out and start to pivot and reverse to the upside. Even if you miss out a little bit on some gains, it doesn't matter. You want to buy it when it's confirmed, right? Most likely. So definitely looks pretty good. No, I believe bull run is. I mean, we are in a bull run right now. It's just we're not in the euphoric stage. We're not in the altcoin season stage. So yeah, you asked for Shiba Inu. Let's take a look at Shiba. Because a lot of you guys are bearish on Shiba, but it's not like Shiba's been crashing. You can see right here, right? Shiba's actually been holding pretty well. It's been kind of flat. And like I said, Shiba, like I said, you know, about a month ago, I said Shiba is looking like it's going to put in a cup and handle formation. And that's what it's doing so far, at least. The monthly, look, this is very bullish for Shiba. We're overbought here in the monthly. And we're starting to swift momentum to the upside. So you can see right there. So that's very good on the monthly. And on the weekly, we just got here to overbought. I mean, to oversold. Did I say overbought? Oversold. So we were overbought here on Shiba recently in December. It was just recently too, right? And it was very fast for us to come down here to oversold, which we are now. So this is where I would expect this to start to, once we start to curve here, this is when Shiba is going to start to curve too and put in that higher low. And so I believe it's going to be very soon. I believe it's going to very soon. Shiba is going to start to pivot and start to pump up here, especially being this oversold here on the weekly. So I'm bullish on Shiba. Honestly, I think it's still a great time to buy. And I think Shiba can make an explosive move anytime soon. Just like out of here, right? It was like out of nowhere, Shiba just exploded. It can definitely do that very soon. So I'm bullish on Shiba. Which indicator? All my indicators I make, and they're all private. If you want to get them, just message me or check out my link bio. Trump coin is dumping. How much is it's at 28 bucks right now. Trump coin's at 28. Almost at 10k likes, guys. Don't forget to like. Where would I take profits on Shiba? I mean, based on Fibonacci, right? I mean, obviously when it reaches all-time highs, then some price targets in the future at 0.0019, 0.0027, 0.0053. So those are some price targets based on Fibonacci. But I am definitely holding Shiba long term. What I think about Sui. Very bullish on Sui. It held up very well on this crash. And honestly, right now, I've been spending a lot of time looking at Sui coins. Coins that are on Sui. I think this is the play right now. Because Sui doing well. I mean, those coins are going to do well. That's on Sui, right? I mean, that's just a smart thing to do. Meme coins, dexes. But Sui has everything to be the Solana of this cycle. And go up to double digits very, very soon. So I do like Sui. And it's also US based crypto, so it's another good sign. This is on TradingView. Because we have ETFs trading big companies' involvement for the first time, do you reckon crypto in general won't crash as hard as compared to pre? Yeah, that's a great statement right there by Universal. You know, the fact that we have ETFs this time, we're probably gonna have government buying, and it's gonna be, you know, we have BlackRock and all these players. I still think there's gonna be a big crash. In fact, I think we're gonna probably have some type of event in terms of regulation that's gonna crash out a big portion of the market. Look, honestly, I believe we're gonna have like a dot-com bubble event where a lot of coins are basically gonna crash, go to zero, and then the surviving ones won't crash that hard and then end up, you know, surviving, coming back up into, you know, 2027, 2028, whenever is the next bull market. That's my honest opinion. That's why you guys want to take profits. XCN, a lot of you guys asking for XCN again. Man, XCN has been doing amazing. And again, if you guys, wow, yeah, it's pumping right now. If you guys didn't know, I shared XCN here in Instagram and also on Telegram before I did this 8x. I shared it like right here. And it's all free. You guys can join for free. But look, I'll share. You want to see my recent pick? This is my recent picks right here that I've been buying. So this is where I share it. So right here, I recently been buying Crow, Jasmy, Spell. This is a new coin I've been buying. I will definitely highly research Spell token. Check it out. Spell, Base Pepe, BTCB, Turbo, Melania, Trump. These are some of the coins I've been buying. Obviously, the lower ones like Melania and Trump, I've been buying less than the top ones. Like I've been buying a lot of Spell, which I don't have. I didn't have recently, and Jasmy and Crow too. So. No, I didn't do Trump chart yet, but Trump, $28. Look, I would expect the bottom here to be for Trump around 25, right? So if it keeps dumping here, you know, most likely you'll find a bottom here around $25. We'll see, because this coin, I mean, this coin's been dumping here for days. We'll see what happens with this coin, if they have any plans with this coin, because they really haven't really shared anything in detail, right? And we are very oversold here on stochastic too, on the hourly at least, so not bad. I don't trust Trump. I mean, that'd be crazy, right? Imagine the president rugging people that bought his coin. That would be that's insane. I mean, I bought some, you know, I bought some around $30, 35. I bought some at 35, 30, 27 because I didn't have any. But, you know, I want to say, if you don't have any, or if you have a slow amount and you want to buy, then yeah, I don't think it's a bad time to buy. Could it calm down more? Yeah, 25, maybe even 20, but I wouldn't expect it to go down to like 10 or something crazy like that. Right? Not financial advice, of course. And we got 180 people. Let's go, guys. 180. We got 20 people on YouTube. You guys been killing it. Swift, next XCN watch it, 50 mil market cap on Coinbase. You think Swift is the next XCN? But let's check out, I forgot to do here the top gainers and losers of the day. We have ETN up 23. This is my watch list, by the way. ETN up 23%. Wow, Rune is actually down a lot. 21%. So Rune is down a lot. Ondo's up 9%. Not bad. So we got some coins that are up here. Some coins that are down. Elon Mars 6% down. Litecoin's been doing pretty well on the day, 8% up. So we kind of have an in-between market today. There's a couple coins that are up here on the daily, so not bad. Not totally bad. This Trump coin's down a lot. Oh, that's Chainlink? No, Chainlink's right here. Swift. Let me see. I don't have Swift on here, but let me put here the top 100. Is Swift in the top 100 or the top 200? Yeah, this is the top 200. Yeah, so the top 100 right here, we can see. GT's up. I think that's Gate.io's coin. HBAR is up. So yeah, we do have some coins that are up decently here on the day. Not bad. Oh, it's fully 50 million market cap. Oh, okay. Lewis, this stuff going around. I have a cold. I know, right? It's like everyone has a cold right now. It's been so cold in the US, especially me. I work outside, so it's crazy. I missed out on XRP. I checked out. Please don't spam any CAs. Don't spam any contract address. I missed out on XRP. I checked out the crypto calculator, and I think you need around 5K to get a good return right now. Do you agree? Yeah, I mean, you know, some people say XRP is going to 50, 100, 1,000. Right? Depends on where you believe it will go, but if you think it's just gonna go to $10 around there, then probably yeah. Wes says in Aussie, somewhere in Aussie land, hot. Yeah, and my parents, they're in Brazil right now, and over there the summer is really hot too, so similar to Australia. Toshi, you want me to do Toshi? Take a look at Toshi real quick. Let me see if I can find it. So Toshi, I believe it's a meme coin on base, right? So not bad. I mean, Toshi's not looking that bad. This week, it's at all-time highs, basically. How about on the daily? Yeah, yesterday it reached all-time highs, and it's been holding it pretty well. So Toshi is looking pretty good. You can see this is a mass right here this week. We pumped last week. We had a huge recovery. And this is why I say, guys, in crypto, this is why I say in crypto, it's like a roller coaster, right? You might think a coin is so bearish and we're just, it's dropping. But look, next week, recovery. In just 1 week, we recover 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 worth of months right here. We recover in 1 month. You see that? That's how crypto is. And we could see in just 2 weeks, we flip completely bullish here. So yeah, this is a good looking coin. And like I said, not just Toshi, but many other coins on base are great coins to be looking at right now. Yeah, I am Brazilian, Bebop. I am Brazilian. So that's why I've been buying a lot of meme coins on base, like base Pepe, Mog. What is the? It's Crypto Bubbles. It's a website called Crypto Bubbles. Yeah, I do have XRP. So my top biggest holdings probably Doge, XRP, Chainlink, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Those are my top biggest holds, to be honest. Not in order though, just in general. Yeah, I agree with Greater is He. I agree with you, man. That's and you know, it feels especially like that when everyone is freaking out, right? Or everyone is like bearish or impatient. There's so many people impatient right now that just wants it to be up season. Just wants us to just go to crazy new highs, but they gotta understand. And that's why I like this bull market, because this bull market feels a lot more matured, right, compared to the previous ones. I mean, do you really want it to be like 2017 where we just have a blow off top, a quick blow off top, and then that, you know, it ends right there? I'm pretty sure some people would rather like that, just be, you know, done fast and done. But this one, I mean, this one is looking like it's going to be a longer but matured bull market, right? It's not going to be a fast skyrocketing one, right? But like a longer one. So yeah, I mean, we are definitely going to we're going to experience something that we have in the last 2 bull markets. And a big reason with that is the ETFs, pro crypto administration. We have BlackRock, we have all these big players in the crypto space, and they're all positioned, right? So Harrison, what's up, Harrison? How you doing, bro? Thanks for coming to the live stream. Freddie says, I made over $1,000 in 20 minutes and will continue to fly over for now, just like Trump did. Vine quick buck. Wow. Congrats, Freddie. That's awesome. Did you make it on the Vine coin that came out? Wow. And that's why I say too, guys, right? I think it's great to have a little part of your portfolio and try to trade meme coins on Phantom, Pump Fum, or whatever like that. Try to, you know, get some experience trading and trying to catch some meme coins. Some people say it's gambling. Some people would say it's don't do that. But I think it's great because you're just using a small part of your portfolio. That's the key, right? Risk management. And man, with that small portion of your portfolio, you can turn $100 into 10K. Or, I mean, we saw some cases where we seen some people become millionaires, right? And it's not even, I'm not even exaggerating, but we saw many cases like that. So I definitely think it's a great strategy, but of course using risk management, right? I saw it dropped, bought in, and it flew. Oh wow. Yeah, I saw the chart too, like that first drop. I think that, and then when the Vine guy confirmed it, that's when it really went up. Well, meme coin is my biggest holding. So my biggest holding in meme coins is probably Dogecoin, Shiba, and man, what's my third one? My third one, to be honest, I think it's probably Pepe. Yeah. It would have been Turbo, but I think it's Pepe. Yeah. And the big reason why Pepe is my third biggest meme coin, it's actually hilarious because I was even buying a lot of Pepe. I was earning a lot of it in cash back on my Gemini card when Pepe was like at lows. Right? This was in like before Pepe exploded out of nowhere. This was after it exploded and then came back down. I switched over my Gemini card to earn Pepe because at that time it was like ranked 200 or something. It was like a lower cap coin, and I was like, you know what? Let me if I'm gonna earn something, let me earn some low cap coin. And I was earning Pepe throughout that time, just buying food, you know, just buying gas and stuff like that. And then Pepe, from that was the most I ever made in cash back, because Pepe did like a 10x or something crazy from those prices. So, and I'm still holding the amount. So that's how Pepe became my third biggest. And then after Pepe grew a lot, I switched it to Doge Elon Mars. So now I'm earning Doge Elon Mars, and that's been growing. So you guys see my strategy, right? I'm all in on ETH, and I am dumb or smart. I mean, I would expect the ETH to start moving. It has to eventually, right? I mean, we have Trump buying a ton of millions of dollars of ETH, so I do believe ETH is going to start moving hard. I have 329 million Doge Elon Mars, but I lost on it. What do you mean you lost on it? You lost it, or what do you mean? Trump has been stacking ETH. He knows what's coming. Yeah. I mean, when you see you know, these big buys on Ethereum with Trump's World Liberty Company, it's good signs of good things to come for sure. I'm looking to invest 1K. What do you recommend to get the ball rolling? Good question about Mr. Matt. So you're looking to invest in 1K. And hey, look, we're getting a lot of, you know, more people into the crypto space, whether they're from the stock market or wherever, looking to invest, you know, a portion of their portfolio. And this is great to see, guys. It's great to see more people come into crypto You know, recently we only had 5% of the world holding crypto. Now we're at 7%. I don't know when that changed, but we're at 7% now. Okay. And I believe by the end of this bull market, or by the peak of this bull market, we're going to reach 10%. You're going to see that in the news too. It's going to be like 10% of the world's holding crypto or blah, blah, blah. We're going to see 10% plus at the peak of this bull run. Let that be another signal, another sell signal. But anyways, so I mean, if I had 1K, I didn't have any crypto to get the ball rolling, to be honest. Honestly, I would buy some ETH. I think ETH right now is not a bad deal, especially since it hasn't been running. I think ETH is still at good prices, and I believe it's going to start to run pretty good. But obviously with 1K, I would probably just put like 200 in ETH, $200. Right, and then the other amounts I would probably buy Chainlink, right? And of course I'm going with like safer plays. I don't want to get, you know, give you like super low cap coins, but I'll probably look at the Chainlink. Let's see some other coins here, like AVAX. AVAX is another good coin. Solana too. I mean, Solana, it can definitely go to 600, 1,000, and it's like around 200 and something. So, and Aave is great too, right? Aave is part of Ethereum. So ETH moving up, Aave is gonna move up pretty well. So those are just some of the coins I recommend, not financial advice. Yeah, I would say Cardano too, especially Cardano around $1. Under $1. Yeah, Cardano's at a good price right now too, and it's in recovery, right? Like, let's say if Cardano was still like, if Cardano was still like struggling right here, doing something like that, no, right? That's not a good chart. But Cardano is showing a lot of strength here, so this is definitely a chart you want to buy, for sure. So yeah, Cardano looks pretty good. Thanks, appreciate it a lot. Anytime, Mr. Man. And of course, join the free Telegram if you haven't yet. It's in the link bio. We got over 1,000 people, and the best thing, it's 100% for free. Okay, and there's no tiers, nothing. I'm super active on there. So if you guys got questions or anything, or just want like a fun crypto community, join Cryptopolis. Second link in the bio, and feel free to share whatever coins you guys are bullish on and stuff like that. Creamy says Chainlink, Cardano, XRP, XLM, XDC, HBAR, ETH, Algorand. Pretty good picks. What does my fib chart show about Bitcoin's top? Well, it shows that Bitcoin possibly could top at 174. Right, I'm gonna do an in-depth price prediction on Bitcoin, but we'll just do a fast. Let's pull a Fibonacci here for Bitcoin and see where some of the levels here where it can top out at, right? So you can see we're already getting some rejection here on my fib levels at 103 or around there. You see that? So I don't believe this will be the top. I don't believe this will be the top right here. Again, it could be a local top like we had recently, but I don't believe this is the top. You can see right here, even my fib here at 120, right, 122. So that's how you know that Bitcoin's next major target is 120. That's where it's gonna get some resistance, but then probably pass through that. But based on my fib analysis here, potentially, and this is my price prediction for Bitcoin at the moment, is 175, 174, around there is potentially the top, right? The peak for Bitcoin. Just my opinion. Obviously a lot of people saying 200k, 250k, whatever. And we can definitely break, we can definitely do that, but we'll see, right? Because we can look back here. Let's pull a Fibonacci here. Last bull market cycle, we can see we topped out here at the 618. right, perfectly. And that was the top. I mean, that was the top right there. We get some good confirmation. And that was the top right there. That was the peak. Right, I'm pretty sure a lot of people that had this was like selling a lot right here around these levels. So yeah, I'm gonna make a, don't worry, I'm gonna make an in-depth price prediction on Bitcoin in my YouTube channel. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. But that's where I see Bitcoin topping out. 140 is your guess? Can we look and see where Arweave will bounce back? Yeah. Yeah, 200k is only a 2x, right? That's insane. 200k is a 2x. Arweave, right? Yeah, I mean, so look, Arweave, you can see that we had that panic wick down here to the 618, but we were still downtrending to the 618. So we might come down here where we wicked, hang out a little bit around $12, right? So I don't see Arweave breaking that $12 level right here. I see this being the bottom, but it's still not bearish, right? Arweave is, in my opinion, very bullish. This is just a healthy pullback from the spring highs here back in 2024. You can see how we're pulling back, and most likely we're gonna hold this level and eventually pull it. And again, it takes time, right? It's not like we're gonna do this in one day, but I would definitely, you know, what's bullish here is we're oversold on the monthly. We resetted that monthly, and on the weekly look, once we get down here on the weekly, that's how you know what the bottom is in. So here we're still not oversold, but once we get down here near oversold, most likely we might be down here or something. That's how you know the bottom is in for Arweave. So there's still some room to come down here based on the weekly, but I would argue and say that it's pretty darn close to the bottom, around 12 bucks, around there. Where do you buy meme coins that aren't on Coinbase, like Tards AI? Well, you could buy them on KYC based exchanges, or you can get a Phantom wallet. So I would say get a Phantom wallet and then send Solana to it. Anytime, Stefano. Anytime. You think Pepe's a buy? Yeah, I did do Dogecoin. I can do it again if you want. Do I think Pepe is a buy? Probably. I probably do think it is. Yeah, Pepe's a buy. I mean, Pepe's a clear retest, right? Pepe's a clear retest from the previous rejection here. You see it? What was this? This was in the June. Yeah. So Pepe's just having a healthy retest. You zoom out. This is going to be Pepe's first bull market. Healthy retest. Pepe's going to do very well. So, you know, I would expect Pepe to hold this retest, put in a higher low, even if it come down a little bit more, and then start to work its way up. So I think Pepe is a great deal right now. Can you share us what's your favorite indicators to use? So my favorite indicators to use, I like using the Kellner bands, as you can see right here. And this indicator is free. All right, we can see that we hold that monthly Kellner band right there at 49k. Nice bounce. We're above the top Kellner band here on the monthly. So could this be a bullish move? Bullish signal, possibly, right? On the monthly. Last time we were closing above on the monthly like this, right, during the last bull market, we just had some big candles like this for 4 or 5 months, right? And right here we did close above, but we had to come down and retest that middle stochastic, and now we're above it again. So this is one of them that I use. This is one of the ones that I made myself. It's called the fib waves. And I made this so you can buy, you know, to help you buy the best times, right? Because every single time you come down here in the green, it's the best times to buy based on the bear market. So I would expect Bitcoin in the next bear market, right, wherever it is, to come down here in the green, wherever the green is. That's going to be the best times to buy in that bear market, whether Bitcoin's at 50K, 60K, 40K, wherever. So it gives you a good and I made it green for a reason, right? So you can ignore the fear, ignore the what's going on, and just focus on the charts. So, and that's one that I made. This is another one that I made here to calculate Bitcoin's top. You can see right here, Bitcoin topping out right there. So I would expect Bitcoin's top to be around here, which also agrees with my Fibonacci analysis. Around that 170, 74, like I said. So we shall see, because like 200K would bring it to here, right? Around 200K. So we shall see, but 174K would bring it here. So we'll see. But I did make this one as well, and you guys can find them all on the Patreon if you guys are interested. When is the next bear market supposed to be? I mean, I believe the bear market will start in 2026. I don't think 2026 is going to be a good year for crypto. So that's when I would expect this to start. Thank you for the hearts, Bishop. Appreciate it. Wow, we got 200 people. Let's go, guys. 200 people on TikTok. Don't forget to like. We're almost at 10,000 likes too. You guys been killing it. You guys been killing it. Yep, a lot of people are seeing 150, 200K. Yeah, me too. Me too. That's where I'm seeing it. If Bitcoin keeps rising, will it stop altcoin season? No, I don't think it'll stop altcoin season. So, I mean, what I'd expect here, this is Bitcoin dominance, right? Bitcoin keeps rising, which I believe it will. So let's say Bitcoin 110K, right? 120K. This is what it's going to do. Bitcoin dominance is going to go up, maybe 150K or wherever, right? And then it's going to get to a point like it did right here where altcoins are just going to outperform Bitcoin, and that's going to cause this to drop. It doesn't mean Bitcoin's going to come down, right? Bitcoin can keep going up, but altcoins are just going to outperform it so much that even with Bitcoin going up, it's going to cause Bitcoin dominance to come down, just like it did right here back in 2021, right there, in 2019 right there. So yeah, this is a very important chart to look at. Your Telegram is my jam. Can you chart Bonk? Thank you. Thank you. I'm happy you like the Telegram. And sure, we'll take a look at Bonk for you. Does Bitcoin have to drop before altcoins can pump? No, Bitcoin doesn't have to drop. Well, kinda, a little bit, right? You know, if you see a little dip, not a big drop, but like a dip in Bitcoin, we could see possible Bitcoin people taking profits on Bitcoin, like I will, and then putting into altcoins. So that'll probably be me taking profits. But yeah, I mean, yeah, I guess you can say that. But it's not like a big drop, right? It's not like a huge drop. Just like a small pullback. So can everyone sell their Bitcoin and put into altcoins, please? But you know what's going to be unique too about this bull market, right? A lot of Bitcoins on the ETFs, right? A lot of Bitcoin is in ETFs, or so it's going to be different, because last bull markets, people could convert their Bitcoin. People would, and they still can, but people would convert their Bitcoin into alts, and now it's going to be it's not going to be the same as compared to last bull markets. Thank you, J Rock. Thanks for subscribing, bro. Do y'all want a 10% commission fee and want me to get on their Telegram with them? Are they legit? Wait, they're like a trading show? I mean, probably not. I mean, I would be hesitant on signing up if, you know, something like that, commission free. Litecoin is lagging behind. All TikTok traders, really? That's weird. Well, my Telegram is 100% for free. Yeah, so Bonk kind of similar with Pepe, right? Let's look on the weekly too. Thank you for the follows, guys. So look, Bonk, you can see it's similar to Pepe because we are coming down for a nice retest here. Not as bullish as Pepe, but still not bad, right? We're coming here to this big point of control where we came down here for Bonk. But in the meantime, where we resetted that stochastic to oversold. So I would expect Bonk to hold this, put in the higher low, while pivoting that stochastic, starting to come up here to overbought. And, you know, next time we're in overbought here, most likely will be the top for Bonk. So that's you know, it's still a long way up there. But I'm just showing that so you know, when we are overbought on the weekly for Bonk, most likely will be the top for Bonk sometime this year. But yeah, I do think it's a great time to buy. I mean, this is a really healthy pullback. And when you zoom out, Bonk is in this really bullish uptrend here. So I do like Bonk. So LTC, Litecoin. You're saying Litecoin isn't making... I mean, Litecoin is doing pretty good. It's not doing the worst, right? You can see here on the monthly. Yeah, I mean, Litecoin is not looking that bad. Or, you know, Litecoin at least. But you can see Litecoin is going to close this month in a range that hasn't closed since 2022 before it collapsed here. That's not bad, right? That's 2 years ago. It's gonna close here above two major resistance points here for Litecoin, and basically where it collapsed here in 2022. So Litecoin is not looking too bad, at least for now. If it holds this, if it closes right there, right around here. And what I would expect is if it does close here, next month is definitely gonna be a big, nice green candle for Litecoin. So Litecoin is not looking too bad. It definitely is not looking too bad, to be honest. And you know, we're definitely gonna start pivoting here on that weekly stochastic. So on the daily candles, let me check the dailies. Yeah, I mean, on the daily we are in this downtrend, right? We're probably gonna put in lower high. So yeah, on the daily, short term, yeah, it does look bearish. Yeah. I'm on TradingView. But either way, I believe long term, Litecoin is not looking that bad. Kaspa was doing well, but not sure now. Yeah, this is on TradingView. Aaron, what's up, Aaron? Thanks for joining the live stream, bro. Yeah, we saw Bonk, possible Bonk ETF. So I'll take a look at Kaspa real quick. We might get a possible Bonk ETF, guys. That's insane. Yeah, Kaspa's been holding really well. I mean, at some point, Kaspa just has to break out of this level here. But you can see Kaspa, I mean, basically for like a year now. A year plus. Or we've just been in this range here from 9 cents to 20 cents. And we're at the bottom of the range. So this is why I've been buying Kaspa. You know, especially as a layer one, I think this coin has everything to go to $1 plus. Right? It's not even listed on Binance yet or Coinbase, so really bullish on Kaspa as a layer one. Render, TIA, XCN, Bitcoin. So check out Render real quick. I checked out XCN already, but I'll check it out again since it's pumping. Render is a great coin. I was lucky to get it at big lows here for Render. I wish I would have got more though, but I'm happy with the amount I have for Render. But either way, Render, right, it migrated from ETH to Solana. Great move. And since then, I mean, it's basically been building support at its previous all-time high, which is somewhere around here. It doesn't show it here because ever since it migrated, it cut off its history, which sucks. I wish it would still show it, but its all-time high was like somewhere in this range here from 2021. And it's just been building support. Its recent all-time high, it hit back here in this spring, actually. It went to 13, 12 bucks right there. But it's just building support here to go to new highs this bull market, especially once AI takes off. Render is going to take off big. So I am bullish on Render for sure. XCN, I got you for XCN and Spell. Yeah, we'll take a look at Spell, because Spell is one of my new calls, guys. I gave you guys XCN before it did an AX, and for proof, I'll show it because I always get new people in the TikTok and in the live stream, right? So I love sharing it because it makes people, you know, join my Telegram, which is 100% for free, and I just want to market it so you guys can understand here. So I mean, look at that, right? January 14th. So look, this is my alerts channel, which is free. You can find it in the free Telegram, which we got 1,000 people, and it's all free. But yeah, my alerts channel, we got 70 people, right? January 14th. And look, I also gave XRP, right? This was an XRP, was like around 2 something. I was like, look, XRP is holding a bow. It's looking bullish. Bull flag, right? Bull pendant. And then this was before XRP pumped over 3 bucks. So I also gave XRP, but right here, look at that, XCN. These are my buy alerts, coins I was buying. XCN, January 14th, which was January 14th was right here on XCN. It was right here, right? Where is it? It was right here. It was exactly right here. So it was literally right before it pumped. You can see right there, January, right? The week of January. So it was literally right there before it pumped. So, and this pump's been amazing, and it's been holding up well. That's how you know it's bullish. It's been holding up super well. Jojo, what was your question? I didn't catch your question. I didn't see your question. So XCN is holding up pretty well. I mean, even right here, I think last time I was live, I was telling you guys XCN was looking bullish, and it had another big pump. So you might have something similar too. We might have a bull pendant here and have another big pump too. So we'll see. I mean, XCN from its all-time highs, like, well, it's 20 cents, right? It's all-time highs. So let's see here. Yeah, 20 cents. Wow, look at that. 0.38. Look at that, guys. I believe I had this before I did this pump here, but you can see that 0.38. We're probably gonna come down a little bit more, but you can see how it has resistance right there, exactly at my Fibonacci level here for a XCN, right? So I mean, we can have a pullback. If we do have a big pullback, I don't see XCN going below a penny, right? 0, 1, 11. But it's been holding up super strong. There might not be a big chance it goes down that low, to be honest. Yeah, I'll do Spell next. But XCN 20 cents is the all-time high. If it does recover based on where it can go here, 92 cents, $1.77. I know it's crazy to say, but based on Fibonacci, right, getting its previous all-time high and its bear market low, these are some of the levels. So yeah, let's check out Spell coin, because this is one of my next calls. I put this out like 2 days ago. I've been buying Spell coin. I actually didn't have any, but I've been starting to buy a lot of Spell. Let's see here, and it's still down pretty good, but I'm bullish on Spell. Let me see if I can find a better chart that has more history. Yeah, where's Gate.io? Right here. Good thing we have Gate.io. Let me add it to my watch list here for trading view. Yeah, so Spell coin kind of looking like XCN too before it pumped, right? A little bit. So yeah, I'm liking this has been one of my coins here in my Telegram that I put out. But we can see we're starting. We put in that higher low, which is good. Similar to XCN, right? It's like a higher low. And we're starting to recover here. We might have a big pump. Do something like that. And obviously, since it's all-time high, it's a long way there. 0.03. Right, so 3 pennies. Almost 4 pennies. Again, you want to research these coins. I like Spell coin fundamentally. And there's like a lending, right? You can lend crypto. It's kind of like what Coinbase is doing now, where you can lend your Bitcoin and crypto. Doge, can you look at NCT, ASM, 100% supply and circulation, bullish small caps. Can you do a fib on Sonic? Yeah, I got you. We'll check out NCT for you, bro. I got you. Oh yeah, I remember this coin. I think I did this coin not too long ago. I think last time I did it was like in the right here. I even have it saved here. So yeah, we can see there's a lot of resistance here, but it is in this nice recovery, this nice rounding out here. Of course, it's kind of obvious that I had to come down here to this resistance point, right? So this is normal. This is not bearish. It's just coming down here to retest that resistance, put in a higher low, and then potentially move up. So it's not totally bad. It still is bullish. It's just on a retest here before it continues this nice uptrend. So definitely looks pretty good. So someone imitated you and told me to join the program. Just wanted to let you know. Thank you, Dawson. Thank you. Yeah, unfortunately, there's a lot of you guys out there, a lot of bad people out there that imitate me on Telegram. And it's not just for me, it's for everyone on here. Just please understand, I will never DM first. I will never message you first. If someone messages you first with my profile picture in like a similar username, it's a scam. Okay, guys, just want to let you guys know. I got some Toshi. I do have some Toshi. So was the next coin? Sonic, right? If you guys like Toshi, I'll look at other base coins too. I think base is gonna, is gonna do really well. I'll definitely look at other base coins too. Is this the right Sonic? Let me know if this is the right Sonic, because it doesn't look too good. Vine is doing it again. Vine is pumping. I just thought the game is kind of old for them to play. Oh, it's Sonic. Okay, my bad. My bad. Why was I thinking of Sonic? Sonic. There we go. Yeah, well, I still can't find this coin. Yeah, I don't know why I can't find it on TradingView. I put Sonic, but top meme coins I've seen are Fat Cat, Sonic, and Hee Hee. Oh, okay, I'll look at FTM then. We'll take a look at FTM. We'll take a look at Phantom. Fat Cat. What coin is Fat Cat on Solana? Or is it on another chain? Silvio, thanks for sharing the stickers. I love those stickers. Especially the Dogecoin one. Awesome. So Phantom, let's pull a Fibonacci here on Phantom. We're at a critical level here. A good level here. We're at the 618. So Phantom is looking great. We're in this nice uptrend. We came down for a retest with the 618 big point of control. And I believe it has everything to hold us. Right, we rejected it here in the bear market. And we're probably going to hold it here in the bull market and start to work our way up. So Phantom is looking good. It's just a slower mover, but it's still in this nice uptrend. And it's in that 618 for a retest. It's usually very bullish. Arrow, please. Sure, we'll do Aerodrome. Aerodrome for base. Super bullish on base. If you guys like Arrow, look into Alien Base. Look into Alien Base too. It's the second biggest DEX on base. It's still very low cap, so do your research. It came down a lot, but check out Alien Base. Yeah, the Doge one I like the most. I'm gonna see if I can add more stickers. I think right now they only limit me 3. But yeah, I'll check it out. Yeah, I'm gonna do the Doge dance. I will do the Doge dance. So Aerodrome, I think it was the first coin I covered in the stream today, because I remember talking about Aerodrome here. Right, it's a nice read. I mean, honestly, this is looking like I missed out on Aerodrome, but I don't know. I'm tempted to get some here at these levels. Right, this is a nice retest here. Right, you can see right here. We come up, big rejection, come down, we break right through it. And now we're making that big retest come back down here. Possibly hold it and put it in that higher low. So while you know, you gotta pay attention here. The stochastic, we're oversold, right? We're oversold on the stochastic, so very bullish. When was the last time we were oversold on the stochastic on the weekly? It was right here for Aerodrome, when Aerodrome was 50 cents, basically the bottom right there. So that's a good sign, guys. That's a good sign for Aerodrome. Yeah, bullish on Aerodrome. Not a bad time to buy, especially for someone like me that missed out on it. You know, $1 is not a bad time. It came up to 2.33 recently, but I think I can definitely go up higher this bull market, being its first ever bull market. Especially if base takes off, you're gonna see a lot of action on Aerodrome, which is gonna cause the price to go higher. So that's very good. Can you show us what you say about Helium in base? What do you mean Helium in base? HNC Oh, it's on, yeah, HNT is on Solana. Yeah, Helium is on Solana. I do use Helium network. Griffane. Good to know, bro. Thanks. Yeah, I definitely recommend. I've been recommending Helium for like months now. I think it's about to be a year that I use Helium mobile. And man, I haven't paid a phone bill ever since. And the coverage is pretty good. And if you guys want to get a big discount for your first month, use my link right here for Helium Mobile. The first ever crypto phone service ever, right here, Helium Mobile. Check it out. And what's awesome is that you earn basically their mobile token, which has been doing pretty good in the charts. You earn that token, and then you have the option to use that token to pay off your phone bill, which is super cheap. It's only 20 bucks. So it's 20 bucks. You earn the mobile token, and the way you earn it is just by simply just going out to places using your phone. It's just that simple. Just, you know, going to different places, and then you can use that. So you can make me good deal. You got screwed with the Helium mining. What happened? What happened with the Helium mining? Oh, you're talking about the first one, right? The bull market. Yeah, Helium network is really good. It's really good. Like I said, use my link if you want a discount, but I definitely recommend it. Angelo, what's up, Angelo? Thank you for coming to the live stream. Appreciate you on here. XYO, please. You see a reversal? Yeah, we'll check out XYO. Let's see if we can get a reversal here on XYO, maybe. Where can you buy Spell? I believe there's a lot of places where you can buy Spell. Spell token. Yeah, there's a lot of places like let's see right here. Yeah, so look, Kraken, Binance, Coinbase. Yeah, you could get it on Coinbase, Kraken, even crypto.com. So yeah, there's a lot of good places to get Spell. So XYO. Whoa, let's go. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Thank you, Angelo. Thank you so much for the gift. Thank you. I hope you're having a happy Friday and have a great weekend. Shout out to Angelo. Thank you for the gift. I don't know how to pronounce your last name, but appreciate it. But yeah, XYO. I mean, XYO has been doing amazing here this previous month. Well, December really well, and then this month we're just coming down a little bit. So yeah, but yeah, I mean XYO. You can see that we've been coming down here for a retest, right? And we can definitely drop more, especially if the markets drop more. But I don't say it's gonna. I don't think it's gonna be like a bigger drop, right? We can drop here to these levels of a penny. So yeah, if we do come here to like a penny around there, that's probably the bottom. But there's a big chance it won't drop that much. We might just drop a little bit more to like a 0.13, right? So I don't think it's gonna be a big crasher for XYO because it already came down a good amount. You see, right? We're coming down for this retest. We might come down a little bit more right there. The way I would play this out is I would wait at least a week or so. Let it flatten out, right? You see how every week we're putting a new low. Once we start to flatten out here in 2 weeks or so, that's when you want to buy. But be patient with this because it's going to definitely flatten out and start to pivot very soon. So, but pretty bullish long term. Toshi. Want me to check out Toshi? Sure. Yeah, I talked a little bit about Toshi. But we'll take a look at it right here. For Angelo. So Toshi. This is one of the top meme coins on base. Man, wow, look at that. No wonder you guys been spamming Toshi every minute in the chat. It's been pumping really nicely here this week. New highs. And man, on the out, yeah, we're basically on new highs right here. It's great to see. On the monthly too, you can see right there. So yeah, Toshi's looking great. Let me pull a Fibonacci. Let me see. Sorry guys. Yeah, Toshi. We might start to retrace down here, right? We're coming up to this big level here. But man, this coin is looking really bullish. This is why you guys want to look at other base coins too, right? Not just Toshi. Yeah, that's why I gotta take. I need some cough drops for sure. I've been having a cold the last 2 days, so. This is Toshi. Let's actually check it out here on CoinMarketCap too. Toshi. Man, on the 7-day we're up 104%. So on the weekly we're up 104%. So really nice. And let me see, where can you buy Toshi at? KuCoin, Mexi. But I'll say, like, if you want to buy it, just get Phantom Wallet. Fund it with and basically buy it on base, right? Because you Phantom Wallet has base, so you just need to send base Ethereum to it, and then you use that base Ethereum, and then you just send a base USDT to it, and then you can buy Toshi on Phantom Wallet. So not bad. Well, that's probably why it's been pumping a big part of it, right? Angelo just said it went live on Coinbase yesterday, so that's great to see. And that's the thing too, guys, right? That's why you want to research base because Coinbase is slowly going to add a lot of these base meme coins or base coins on Coinbase slowly throughout this bull market. So Toshi, right? And they still haven't added Brett. And I believe I think Toshi is like the second meme coin on base that they added, because they had Degen, right? They had Degen and now Toshi. So this is why you want to be buying coins on base for sure, because Coinbase is definitely gonna be pushing this really big this bull market. So yeah, we do need Brett to get added, but I believe it will some point. Yeah, it still is in the bull market, in my opinion. So But man, you guys been you guys killed it today. 112,000 likes. We got 19 likes on YouTube. You guys been killing it on Instagram. I will be live tomorrow, hopefully if I feel better. But wow, Bitcoin just hit 105. Look at that. 105k. Hopefully we can reach new levels tomorrow. We'll see. But thank you guys so much. Shout out to everyone who sent gifts. Thank you guys so much for the members. Silvio, shout out to Silvio and Angelo for being members. And yeah, guys, join the free Telegram. I'll be live very soon. Check out my latest video. I'm gonna get off now because I kind of have a cold. I'm gonna get some cough drops, but love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next stream, guys. And yeah, have a great night. Peace. And thank you guys for you guys over at YouTube, Instagram. I'll see you guys very soon. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Love you guys. Peace.